Welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. Today we're going to do some prosciutto ham wrapped asparagus with cream cheese. These are our vevor sandwich press. This is a convenient little tabletop griddle, if you will. Just clean it off, make sure it's clean from the last use. But you can either use it like a clamshell where both surfaces are hot, and if you want to do like a panini press sandwich, you can grill both sides of the sandwich at both times. We're just going to add a little avocado oil to the surfaces. Olive oil bottle compliments Tom Garvey, the keto cook. And not to forget Mrs. Garvey also, she's actually the one that paints it. Tom just drinks the wine. So we're going to season these asparaguses up with Uncle Steve's SPG, aka salt, pepper, and garlic. Put a little bit more of the avocado oil on it, and then dust it again with the seasoning, just to make sure we have some that the seasoning that excuse me, it actually sticks well to the surface itself. So right now I'm just playing with this thing, make sure it's going to lay flat with the asparagus. This is the first time I ever used this particular griddle with asparagus, so I just want to make sure everything is going to close right. Make sure there's that both sides are going to be of the asparagus is going to be touched by the both griddles. So we're just laying them out, make sure we've got an even layer there, and then we'll get this griddle closed up and let them proceed to cook some. I was pretty happy the way it turned out, the way this griddle worked on asparagus. Let's just give them a quick check, make sure everything is going all right with them. I'm happy. This is just a prosciutto that I'm going to be using. The only thing that I will add is that when you're using that prosciutto, it's very thin. So right now we're just basically going to get ready to wrap up some of this prosciutto. You see next that I'm so anal. I just had to look at this video, and I had to make sure, and it's presentation, but I'm just making sure that the flower tops are facing an opposite direction on each one, which is, I say it's silly, but it's not really. I mean, it's all about presentation. So I'm just going to load these up. Again, I'll reiterate, the prosciutto ham is very thin. So when you get ready to roll these up, or even take the ham out of the package, just be careful. This ham actually came out of the freezer from the last time that I had made asparagus. I got my cream cheese already sliced. Room temperature. I'm just going to lay out some pieces over top of it if I can get it off my finger here, and then I'll get ready to wrap them up. Alright, so here we are, we're getting ready to wrap them all up. Just slowly, take your time. I think this is the one I actually, just see where it tore, but I was able to wrap it up with the rest of the ham, so it's no harm, but just be very careful because this stuff is thin. Great ham though, love the ham. And we get this last one, and we're going to go ahead and start grilling them up on the griddle top. As you saw, it did have some avocado oil on it. I tried to put the overlap side of the ham down first. That way it'll sort of kind of like cook together, so it doesn't, less likely to unravel, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So just keep turning them, moving them around, get them even cooked. This ham will cook fast, so I just keep turning around in case there's hot spots on this griddle. Now we're going to come back to the other three, which came on the griddle later than the first three, and just keep turning them. Keep your eye on them. Don't walk away from them. want that cheese, the cream cheese, to sort of kind of start to melt and borderline ooze out. As you see right here, I'm getting ready to cut it, and you got a little bit of the ooze of the cheese. It could have got a little bit warmer, but by the time I turn things off and get ready to do a taste test, I probably lose a little bit of the heat, but absolutely fantastic. I love these things. My wife made these probably, I don't know, 2 years ago maybe, and I just can't get enough of them. I absolutely love them. I'll probably eat them, probably 3 times, 4 times a year. Thanks for watching Sleeper Barbecue. My name is Lance, and I do appreciate you watching. Come back again.